Facebook dating location mismatch fix. The location mismatch problem usually happens when Facebook doesn't have accurate GPS access or your app's location data is outdated. The first thing you should do is check your location permissions on Android. So go with your settings and then just scroll down and then go with apps. Under apps, go with manage apps. Once you're on your manage apps, you need to go with search, and under search, you need to search for Facebook. Tap on it, and then you need to go with permissions. You'll have app permissions, just tap on it, and finally to the location, and make sure it's set to allow only while using the app. And after that, you can just simply go back to your settings, and then you need to turn on your device location services. So go to your settings and toggle the location services or the GPS. You can also search for location, which will be on the top. Once you find location, tap on it and then turn on your location. Then open up your Facebook and then tap the menu or the 3 horizontal lines. Then select dating and check if your location has been updated. If it doesn't, then try refreshing by tapping edit profile. Then you can go with the dating location and click on the update manually, which will reset your dating location. So dating location often forces the app to redirect your coordinates and fix the mismatch. Now, if the issue still continues, then you need to clear your Facebook's cache and data. On Android, you need to just simply open up your Facebook right like this. You need to just tap and hold on to it and then go with the app info. From the app info, you need to go with storage and cache and then go with clear cache. And after clearing your cache or your data, it might fix your problem. Or if you're using your iPhone, then simply delete and reinstall the application. This resets or refreshes the stored data and often resolves outdated location glitches. That's it. These were the few fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.